2019, and this is the toilet tank. And in my previous video, the tank did leak, and there is a gap right there where it's escaping. So what I'm gonna do is flip it over so the water won't be leaking through this cardboard, and then it's gonna rot in. But yeah, this right here is the toilet, and I'm still working on it. I'm still working on the toilet. It's not in good shape, but see, there's a big siphon jet hole for the water to push objects up the trap point, and I cut it in half because it needs to be more higher. And this is the tank, and this is that flapper. Just turn it around. Move this one here. This is the flapper. So it has a. You can tell that it's just a shampoo cap with 4 nails in it.